So it's been about 10 days since I put my special mixture of fall fertilizer on this lawn. And if you haven't seen that and the specific products I used, be sure and check out the link down in the description. And I'll leave one up here in the top right hand corner as well. But just 10 days and you can see that the lawn has just leaped back into action and is just super deep green and lush. And this is my test area that I filmed because it's not worth filming the whole yard, but if I just pan over here you can see that the entire yard is at the same state. It's just super green, super lush, and awesome. Incredibly thick. Let's get down here. I don't know if you can see, but very thick, very nice. So definitely need to be dethatched come spring, which is typically when I do it. Also needs to be mowed. It's ready for that. Just a word to the wise. Some people will dial up the application rates on fertilizer a little bit. You got to be careful with that on granular fertilizer, and be especially careful if you use my same mixture of the two different kinds of fertilizer, because it is very easy to burn the lawn with an over application. So anyway, follow the instructions and apply at the recommended rate. So we're going to come back probably closer to 2-week time frame here, and hopefully when it's freshly mowed as well, and let you take a look at it then, just so you can see the continued results. So now this is 2 weeks since I put down my special application of fertilizer, and you can see that after a mowing, let's see here, I mowed this 2 days ago and it's already starting to need it again, but you can see that it's really looking good. So anyway, I just wanted to give you kind of an update here as time has gone on after that last application, so you can kind of see the results. It's a little windy here today, but anyway, you can kind of see out there the whole yard is just looking fantastic. So anyway, be sure to like and subscribe if you like these kinds of videos. Stay tuned for one more coming up when we're actually going to be winterizing this with the final application of fertilizer and the winterization process that I like to go through so that it's right ready to go next year. Catch you next time.